Welcome to Garage Heads, your go-to destination for the latest car reviews, specs, and expert insights. In today's video, we're diving into the 2025 Lexus NX, a vehicle that continues to build on the Lexus tradition of luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology. The 2025 Lexus NX is a sleek and stylish compact luxury crossover that combines premium features with a refined driving experience. Its bold exterior design stands out with sharp lines, an aggressive front grille, and sleek LED lighting elements. The NX is available in various trims, offering buyers the flexibility to choose from a range of options depending on their preferences for style and performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Lexus NX offers a selection of powertrains, including a turbocharged 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine, which provides a balanced mix of power and efficiency. For those seeking more performance, there's a hybrid variant that not only delivers more horsepower but also improved fuel economy, making it an attractive option for environmentally conscious buyers. The hybrid powertrain combines a gasoline engine with an electric motor to achieve an optimal balance of performance and efficiency. Inside, the 2025 Lexus NX impresses with a luxurious cabin that exudes comfort and sophistication. The materials used throughout the interior are top-notch, and the cabin features an intuitive layout that is both elegant and practical. The seats are supportive, and there's plenty of legroom for both front and rear passengers, making it a great choice for longer journeys. Lexus has also equipped the NX with advanced tech features, including a larger infotainment screen, an updated Lexus interface system, and a digital display for the instrument cluster. These enhancements make interacting with the car's various functions smooth and user-friendly. The 2025 Lexus NX doesn't skimp on safety either. It comes equipped with a host of standard safety features such as lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. These technologies work seamlessly to help prevent accidents and improve overall driver confidence. Additionally, the NX also offers a range of advanced driver assist systems, including a 360-degree camera, parking sensors, and a heads-up display. One of the standout features of the 2025 Lexus NX is its refined driving experience. Whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on the highway, the NX delivers a smooth, quiet ride with a high level of stability. The hybrid models, in particular, offer a smooth transition between the electric motor and the gasoline engine, ensuring a seamless and responsive drive. The car's handling is precise, and the ride quality is comfortable, making it an excellent choice for those who prioritize luxury and performance. Overall, the 2025 Lexus NX stands out as a well-rounded luxury crossover that offers a great combination of performance, style, and tech. Whether you're looking for a daily driver or a weekend getaway vehicle, the NX is definitely worth considering. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit the like button, and make sure to subscribe to Garage Heads for more in-depth car reviews, specs, and features. Thanks for watching.